everyone, today I am going over the check permutation question that's in Crack the Coding interview book. It is a second question for the first chapter, so it's 1.2, check permutation. Given two strings, write a method to decide if one is a permutation of the other. So permutation I had to define because I wasn't entirely sure, but it's when there are various possibilities or various variations that helpful. It's different ways of writing one word. So that doesn't mean that a word will always make sense, but it means that it has all the letters of the other word, whether that's in quote unquote the right order or the wrong order. It doesn't matter as long as all the letters are there and the same kind of letters, no matter what kind of order, it'll be the permutation of the other. So I knew that I needed to, one, compare the string length, because if the string length isn't the same, then it automatically isn't going to be a permutation of the other, right? Because even if I had French and French without the H is not a permutation of French because it needs that H to be a permutation of the other word. And then after that, so if it does not equal the same length, then obviously we make the Boolean false. And another easy case is if the letters are not the same. So if the string for one word sorted, and you want to sort it because that just makes it easier for the computer to see if the letters are the same. You want to sort the array of characters because a string is a type of array. Let me repeat that. A string is a type of array. And if those two arrays aren't the same, then obviously, once again, permutation is false. And then we have one more check, which is for every character in the first string. We just loop through it, and if anyone's string in the sorted strings is not equal to the other, then once again permutation is not possible. It's already sorted, so if it's AAA and then AAB, the first two comparisons are going to be true, but then when it hits the third character, it's comparing A to B, it's going to be false, and then exit out of the for loop and return false. Otherwise, our catch is return permutation, which defaults to true. All right, so that's it. Originally I actually had some problems because I indented funny, and it was actually not checking and going through the for loop because I indented the for loop, thinking it was under the if statement for some reason, but and I didn't close the if statement, so that was my mistake. But then I quickly realized to do that, so once it was done there, it would close out. And that's it. Feel free to subscribe, join us for our meetup, or follow me on GitHub. Other than that, have a great day, and I hope you enjoy. finding if one word is a permutation of another. Have a great day. Bye.